Welcome to Unity One Apartments. Located in Tatu City, Kenya, Unity One is a premium development of one-bedroom apartments located in a young, smart, and self-sustaining city named Tatu City. It is a stylish low-rise estate featuring 18 blocks and housing about 600 units, designed to appeal to both first-time homebuyers and savvy investors. Unity One's 45 square meter, one-bedroom units are thoughtfully appointed. You'll find an open-plan lounge with balcony and glass railings, a modern imported kitchen with breakfast bar, extractor hood, and granite countertops. There's a utility room, smoke detectors, solar water heating, and a high-security front door. Quality finishes include porcelain and ceramic tiles, frameless glass showers, and UV wardrobe. Community amenities include a chic circular swimming pool with bar, a kids' play area, and a modern gym. Plus, lush green spaces including an 11-acre park, basketball court, and jogging trails. The starting price in Kenyan shillings is 5.91 million, which is about 45,000 US dollars or 35,000 euros if paying in cash. As an alternative, a buyer may pay in installments for a period of up to 24 months. Paying in cash saves a significant amount of money, as paying in installments over 24 months will cost the buyer approximately $11,000 more, which is equivalent to approximately 1.4 million Kenyan shillings or 9,500 euros. So paying in cash saves nearly 20%. The opportunity to rent out your unit is promising, with 6 to 8% yields expected, and if furnished and rented on Airbnb, you can potentially yield even more. Tatu City's rapid industrial and educational growth, like what we're seeing with Moderna and CCI Global, is really driving strong demand in the area. Founded back in 2014, Unity Homes is an ISO 9001, 2015 certified, EDGE certified, British Kenyan developer that's focused on mass-producing affordable, high-quality housing. Their portfolio is quite impressive, with over 1,000 homes completed or underway across Tatu City, including Unity West, which offers 2-bedroom units, Unity East, which offers 2 and 3-bedroom units, Silver Hill townhouses, which are under construction, and their newest development in Tatu City, Unity Parkside, which will offer 3-bedroom apartments in a development adjacent to a wildlife park. In terms of credibility, their first Unity West block, which had 48 units as part of a 384-unit first phase, was delivered right on schedule in 2020. This £4.5 billion project was recognized by the British High Commissioner and really aligns with Kenya's Big Four housing agenda, which was initiated by the then President Uhuru Kenyatta to focus on affordable housing as one of its 4 key pillars. Unity One is definitely in line with helping to fulfill the national goal to construct 500,000 affordable housing units across the country to address the housing deficit and promote economic growth. When it comes to market confidence, as of late 2022, Unity East added 640 units, which just goes to show consistent delivery and positive market uptake. And get this, all of Unity West and Unity East apartments are sold out as of July 15, 2025, except for one 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit in Unity East that just came back on the market. If you are interested in buying this unit or any other available unit in Unity Homes, contact me with your full name, email address, and phone number via my WhatsApp number listed in the description box of this video. I can then provide you with a discount on your purchase. So, why choose Unity Homes at Tatu City? Well, it's actually very secure with prompt police response. The environment is controlled with strict zoning. You can expect high rental yields, and The capital gains thus far are phenomenal. The community living aspect is fantastic, with great amenities like a 35-acre recreational park, pool and jacuzzi, a full basketball court, football pitch, a well-equipped gym with instructors, a food market that runs 24/7, coding and programming classes for kids, and even sponsored community meetups. The homes are low-rise with good spacing between them. Now, talking about the prime location, Unity 1 residents have the opportunity to enjoy the tranquil environment of this neighborhood while still being really close to shopping and entertainment venues, several schools, hospitality and medical facilities, and much more. Here's a list of several local points of interest and their approximate driving times from Unity 1 apartments. Two Rivers Mall is about 25 minutes away. Garden City Mall, also 25 minutes. Crawford International School, which is located in Tatu City, just 8 minutes. Nova Pioneer School, 10 minutes. Dorman's headquarters, 14 minutes. Northern Bypass, 14 minutes. Thika Superhighway through the Eastern Bypass is about 20 minutes. Westlands, 30 minutes. MP Shah Hospital, 35 minutes. Aga Khan University Hospital, 35 minutes. Kenyatta University Teaching and Referral Hospital, 15 minutes. City Center, 40 minutes. Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, 45 minutes. And SGR train station, Nairobi, 45 minutes. Unity 1 offers a really compelling mix. Stylish, compact living for singles or small households, and strong rental and investment return potential. And it's all backed by a reputable, experienced developer. Plus, it's right in the heart of a fast-growing, well-planned, smart city. Whether you're looking for your first home or a secure investment, Unity 1 in Tatu City delivers on aesthetics, functionality, and capital gain potential. Contact me if you want to secure a discount on your purchase. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it with family and friends who you think may benefit from this information. And subscribe to this channel to get notified of my upcoming videos on more Unity Homes properties in Tatu City.